అండ్ ఇప్పుడు శ్రీనిధి గారు.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను యాక్చువల్లీ ఐఎమ్ థింకింగ్ వై నా కాలేజ్లో ఎందుకు ఇలా ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ పెట్టలేదు.
ఎక్కడుంది మీ కాలేజ్ చెప్పండి, మేము వస్తాం.
బెంగళూరులో, బట్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ డన్ కదా. నేను ఇంకా లేదు కదా కాలేజ్లో. ఇంత ఫన్గా ఇంత ఒక ప్రీ రిలీజ్ ఈవెంట్ నా కాలేజ్లో ఎప్పుడు చేయలేదు.
నెక్స్ట్ ఈవెంట్ మనం తప్పకుండా అలాగే ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం.
అవును. బట్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ, బాగున్నారా? Thank you so much for being here. I know you have to get back to your hostel and home ki. This movie is very very special. నేను చాలా గ్యాప్ తర్వాత నాకు ఈ స్టోరీ చాలా నచ్చింది. అండ్ నీర్జా సో ప్యాషనెట్లీ నరేటెడ్ ద స్టోరీ. రాగా అని నా పేరు, నీ క్యారెక్టర్ పేరు రాగా అని చెప్పినప్పుడే ఐ వాజ్ లైక్, ఓ రాగా ఇస్ అ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ నేమ్. అక్కడనే కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాను నేను. అండ్ తర్వాత ఆబ్వియస్లీ I know Neerja, this is your first movie. How important and special this movie is for you, and I really hope audience see your effort and your vision, your story, and I really hope that and wish that you write many more stories straight from your heart, and you know, give us many more movies. And as an audience, I'm sure I'll be looking forward to all your movies. Next, మా డిఓపి గారు చాలా చాలా మంచిగా అందరూని, ఐ థింక్ నాట్ జస్ట్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్, ఈవెన్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ హీ హస్ షోన్ ఇట్ సో బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ. ఎంటైర్ మూవీ అన్ని ఫ్రేమ్స్ చాలా ఏస్థెటిక్గా మంచిగా చూపించారు. అండ్ ఐ విల్ మిస్ యువర్ బ్లాక్ సూట్, వైట్ సూట్. ఓన్లీ హీ వేర్స్ దోస్ కలర్స్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ ఇలాగే ఐ థింక్ 60-70 days షూటింగ్లో వచ్చారు. And your calm and composure, something that I'll always learn from you, sir. I'm so sorry, నేను కొంచెం this is only ఒక రోజు నాకు దొరుకుతుంది to thank everyone, so I'm going to take few more minutes. My AD team, Anil, Vishwa, Lucky, Kundana, Ambika, Rakesh, Deepak. You know, I'm away from home. Na intlo my ill is in Bengaluru, so but when I'm away from home for work, you're the guys who have made sure I don't miss my home. On set you're always there. Morning when nen caravan ki vachinappudu good morning ana pedda smile lo meer andru vastunnaru. So and na lines anni vishayamlo you guys have really helped. I really wish each one of you become whatever you have wished for, writers, directors, emaina, but I'll always be rooting for each one of you. Thank you so much for being there. మా co-director Shiva garu, I know చాలా కష్టపడ్డారు అందరూ dates na oka, you know, to make sure that every artist is here. Thank you Shiva garu. And I'm going to save you guys for the last. My producer Vishwa sir and Kriti, thank you for being the pillar of strength and the backbone for our cinema. And also Kriti, I saw what you have been doing. You've been that's a great inspiration for all the young women out there and for everybody. So thank you so much for being such a great support for our movie. And my camera department boys also, Praveen, Subbu, Vicky, Light, Chakri garu, chala nenu fun chesanu. We used to have our insider jokes, and when Jnana sir used to come, we all be like, okay, discipline, no joking. But chala naku oka friends laga, last benches laga chala naku anni scenes lo we had our internal jokes and we had a lot of fun. So andru Taman garu for giving such beautiful music. It's I always wanted to be in his album, one of his albums, so I'm so glad that he is composed music in our movie. Karthik garu has sung so beautifully. Sid Sriram garu also for Malika Ganda. Thank you so much for all our technicians. I know we finish our work at shooting, but post production lo Naveen garu, Avinash, andru, all the editors, everybody, thank you so much for making our film look much more beautiful. Now coming back to Harsha, I know Harsha has a layer of oka funny ga, humorous ga. He's always funny, but I know when he's alone he has his very like a soft kind side of Harsha that comes out very rarely. And I shall get you 1:12 ratio car next time, not real Ferrari though. But thank you so much for being such a fun energy on set. And ma Rashi, ma Anjali, I think we hit it off instantly when we met the very first day. And she's been extremely kind, gracious, and ఎప్పుడూనూ ఇలాగే very elegantly, she'll be always very presentable. I don't know how she manages to do that. Anjali na చాలా మంచిగా Rashi she's performed very well. And I, as an audience, have really loved her character, and I'm sure you guys will love her character as well. Looking forward to all of the work, Rashi. Ippudu Sidhu, we all have seen his journey right now. Even when I was watching his AV, I really thought how everybody has their own beginning, and he's really worked hard. That journey itself is an inspiration, and I know that you have brought in a lot on the table creatively, on and off set. And I can only hope that one day even I'll be in a position where, you know, koncham creatively like you maybe probably get something on the table. And you have been inspiration for all other youth. Thank you so much for being a wonderful co-star, and I'll always look forward to all your work and rooting for you. I hope I've not missed anybody. Even if I've missed, please know that you guys are very important, and thank you so much. And mainly, mana audience, thank you so much for supporting me. Name chesina, even if I've not done anything, you guys have been graciously supporting me, accepting me the way I am. Thank you so much. I always believe the audience is the real PR, and I think you guys are my PR. So thank you so much.
అది మాకు అర్థమైంది ఇప్పుడు మీ పిఆర్ ఎవరు అని. అది శ్రీనిధి గారి పిఆర్ ఆడియన్స్ అన్నమాట. ఆడియన్స్ ప్లీజ్ బీ మై పిఆర్ ఆల్సో. నో ఓకే.
సిద్ధు స్పీచ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు